Hi guys, Jim here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your seat levers and get them working again. So a common fault stops them both working. It's a very easy fix. Let's get started. First I'm going to start off with the top lever. As you can see I can pull it here and nothing happens. What you need to do is unclip the rear of the seat material. Just clips together with some plastic clips. It's quite easy to remove. You see there's one each side. And it's held together with these plastic hook-like clips. Just untuck them all. There's one on each of the sides, as you can see here. They just clip over like that. And there is also one along the bottom. Okay, now we have the seat material taped up out of the way. We can look inside the seat and you can see this cable here. There is one each side of the seat. These become detached for some reason and this is why it doesn't work. As I pull the lever you can see the cable move here. Next to the cable you'll see a little peg, which this round part of the cable needs to be pushed back onto the peg. Push it on firmly until it clicks and also repeat for the other side, and then test the lever to make sure it's working before you rebuild it. Test it a few times up and down, make sure the action is smooth, although I would not recommend putting grease on it as that may help it pop back off again. When testing the top lever, make sure that the back of the seat moves forwards and backwards, and also that the seat slides forwards and backwards. Then rebuild the back of the seat material, and that lever's done, and we'll move on to the next one. Now we're going to look at the bottom lever, which slides the seat forwards and backwards. As you can see, this one feels loose and doesn't do anything. That's because over time the lever has become bent and has came off the actual seat lever itself. You can see the white clip with the square and the lever above it, or that white clip square, is supposed to be around the lever. So when you pull the lever up, it pulls the lever down. Very simple, we just need to get a pry bar and to actually bend it back over the lever. Again, do this for both sides of the seat rail, and once it's back on it should look something like this. You pull the lever up, it pushes that lever down. To help this stop happening again, grab your lever bar and push the metal into the seat lever as hard as possible, like I'm showing you here. This will allow it to sit further in on the lever and reduce the chance of it popping back off. You can see it sits in a lot further now. Repeat this for the other side and you should have no further problems. Now all that's left is to test out the seat lever. If it moves backwards and forwards like this, then job done. If you like this video guys, or it helped, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.